In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Affirm to Stripe. To get started, log into your Stripe account. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one business or workspace. That will help you avoid changing settings in the wrong place. Next, look to the top right corner and click the settings icon. This is where Stripe keeps your account configuration and payment-related options. After that, under Product Settings, open Payments. Inside that section, select Payment Methods. Now you'll be taken to the area where Stripe lists the payment options you can offer to customers. You can either browse through the available methods or use the search feature to find Affirm more quickly. Once you see Affirm, click on it to open its settings page. On this screen, Stripe may show you important details about availability and eligibility requirements. This is worth reviewing carefully because some payment methods depend on things like your country, business type, currency, or the kind of checkout flow you're using. If Affirm is available for your account and setup, continue by clicking Enable. After that, give Stripe a moment to activate Affirm on your account. In some cases, this happens almost instantly, while in others, it may take a little time to update. Once the process finishes, go back to the Payment Methods list and verify that Affirm now appears as enabled. That confirmation lets you know the payment method has been turned on successfully. The next step is to create a new payment link, open an existing checkout page, or use any other payment flow you already have set up in Stripe. The goal here is to check whether Affirm is actually appearing at checkout for your customers. When you reach the checkout experience, confirm that Affirm is listed as one of the available payment methods. If you don't see it right away, double-check the product, currency, and payment flow settings, since those can affect which payment methods are shown. If needed, complete a test checkout to make sure everything is working as expected. This is a good final check before sending customers to your payment page, because it helps you confirm that the option is visible and functioning properly in a real checkout scenario. And that's it. You've now added Affirm to Stripe and verified that it's available in your checkout flow. Thanks for watching.